To manage EveryDollar savings goals effectively, start by understanding the basics of the platform. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that allows you to track your income and expenses and set savings goals. Begin by setting up your account and linking your bank accounts to track your spending. Next, identify your savings goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $1,000 for a vacation in the next 6 months. Once you have identified your goals, set a target amount and deadline for each goal. EveryDollar allows you to create multiple savings goals and track your progress towards each one. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To track your progress, regularly review your savings goals and update your targets as needed. You can also use the EveryDollar app to receive reminders and notifications to help you stay on track. It is essential to prioritize your savings goals and focus on the most important ones first. Best practices for managing EveryDollar savings goals include regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget to ensure you are allocating enough money towards your savings goals. You should also avoid dipping into your savings for non-essential purchases and consider setting up separate savings accounts for each goal to keep your funds organized. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your EveryDollar savings goals and achieve financial stability. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and disciplined, and you will be on your way to reaching your savings goals and securing a stronger financial future.